Hello everyone. In this video we will see how to disable your internal keyboard of laptop. For this, open device manager. Then you will have many options here. Double click on keyboard. Then right click on the further drive. Then again you will have four options. Click on update driver. Then second option for browsing you have to click. Then click on next. Then uncheck this box. You will get few more options. Select randomly any of them and say next. Then again it will ask you for some permission. Click on S and then give again permission for restarting your computer and done. When your laptop will be restarted, you will find that internal keyboard is disabled, and now you can attach external keyboard and you will find that it is working very nicely. So if you like this video, then like, share and subscribe my channel.